What is your name? My name is Sarah. Where are you from? I am from India. How old are you? I am 31 years old. When is your birthday? My birthday is on 4th February. Where were you born? I was born in Delhi. Where do you live? I live in Mumbai. What is your phone number? My phone number is 888 777 999. What is your email address? It's sarah@gmail.com. How often do you check your email? I check my email several times a day. How tall are you? I am 7.5 feet. Do you know who I am? I have no idea. What do you do for a living? I am a teacher. Are you married? Yes, I am married. How many children do you have? I have three children. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have two brothers and one sister. Who do you live with? I live with my husband and children. What time do you have breakfast? I have breakfast at 7:30 a.m. What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 10 p.m. What is your favorite food? My favorite food is pizza. What are your hobbies? My hobbies are reading book and playing guitar. How many languages do you speak? I speak only one language, it's English. Where is your husband? He is in the living room. What is he doing? He is watching televisions. Where is your brother? He is in his bedroom. What is he doing? He is sleeping. How old is your brother? My brother is 26-year old. What is wrong with him? He is sick. Do you have a pet? Yes, I have. It's a cat. Where it is? It is in the garage. What are you cooking? I am cooking pasta. Is there anything I can do to help? Everything will be okay, thanks. How often do you visit your grandparents? I visit them once a month. How often do you go to the gym? I go to the gym 3 times a week. How far is the supermarket from here? The supermarket is 2 kilometers away. How many times have you been to London? I have been to London twice. Is it yours? Yes, it's mine. Where is the nearest restaurant? The nearest restaurant is just around the corner. Do you often go to the restaurant? Yes, I like eating out. Why did you choose these restaurants? It has good reviews. Do you usually eat lunch alone? Not all the time. What would you like to eat? I would like to eat pizza. How does it taste? It's delicious. What would you like to take as a dessert? I would like to take chocolate cake. Do you like spicy food? No, I don't like spicy food. How many cups of coffee do you drink per day? I drink 2 cups of coffee per day. How much water do you drink daily? I drink 2 liters of water daily. Which one do you prefer, tea or coffee? Well, I prefer neither. Can I pay by credit card? Sorry, we only take cash. Where did you go on vacation? I went to Dubai for a vacation. Where can I find the restroom? The restroom is on the right. When did you buy your house? I bought it last year. Are you new here? Not at all. I have lived here since childhood. How long have you lived in this city? I have lived in this city for 5 years. Do you prefer city life or country life? I prefer city life. How far is the airport from your house? The airport is 20 miles away.